Hello student, in this video we are studying the important reaction in a halogen derivative, that is the reaction with active metals. When alkyl halide are treated with active metals with sodium metal or magnesium metal or cadmium, they form organometallic compound. Generally organometallic compounds are called as Grignard's reagent. First, the reaction of alkyl halide with magnesium metal. Here, when alkyl halide is treated with magnesium metal in ether as a solvent, it gives alkyl magnesium halide, that is Grignard's reagent. This Grignard's reagent is an very reactive reagent, and Grignard's reagent in presence of ether, ether in the form of dry ether, we can say, as a solvent. The example of this reaction is ethyl bromide. When react with magnesium metal in presence of ether, it gives ethyl magnesium bromide. This is an organometallic compound. Grignard's reagent is a very reactive reagent. When it combines with hydrogen containing compound, that is methanol, you can say alcohol, NH3 or water, it forms hydrocarbon, that is RH. Okay, actually in Grignard's reagent the carbon magnesium bond, in Grignard's reagent the carbon magnesium bond is a very polar covalent bond. It is highly polar in nature. So this carbon and this magnesium is polar in nature. What happens? The electrons from this carbon, electron from this carbon is pulled from the the electrons by this carbon is pulled from this electropositive magnesium metal. So the carbon in Grignard's reagent shows the negative polarity. You can say there is a negative charge, while the magnesium gives the slightly positive charge. Therefore this bond is polar in nature. Here the Grignard's reagent is an important reaction in halogen derivatives of alkanes. The next reaction is Wood's reaction. The Wood's reaction is also an important chemical reaction in alkyl halide. When alkyl halide react with sodium metal, also there is a solvent dry ether, it gives higher alkane. The example of this, when ethyl bromide react with sodium metal, it gives butane. What happens here? The alkane is formed containing the carbon atom double from the alkyl halide. Therefore it is called as coupling reaction. Generally here the both alkyl groups are coupled together. Here the RR alkyl groups are coupled together. Therefore they forms double number of carbon atom. Okay, here there is formation of butane in this reaction. The next reaction of this topic is reaction of haloarene with metals. Haloarenes are the aromatic compounds with halide atom, halide groups, you can say halide atom. When aryl halide or alkyl halide or sodium, they are combined, when react together, it gives substituted aromatic compound. This is a mixing reaction, that is Wood's plus Fittig reaction. What happens here? There is alkyl halide, that is methyl bromide plus sodium. This reaction is same like this is Wood's reaction. Therefore here there is another molecule, that is bromobenzene, that is haloarene. They are combinedly react to form the aromatic compound, that is toluene. Also here when aryl halide, this is aryl halide, that is you can say chlorobenzene. When only react with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, it gives biphenyl. This is called as Fittig reaction. Combinedly when bromobenzene, that is aryl halide, alkyl halide, that is methyl bromide, and sodium metal, they are combinedly react, they are called as Woods-Fittig reaction. Whereas when it the aryl halide and sodium metal combine to forms the biphenyl, this reaction is Fittig reaction. Okay, thank you.